Located between Flagstaff and Prescott is the historic copper mining town of Jerome. Come join me on a walk around this amazing town.
Jerome was founded in 1876 and at one time the fourth largest city in Arizona, with the population peaking to about 15,000 in the 1920s. Today the town operates primarily as a tourist destination with a year-round population of about 500 people. Originally, it was a copper mining town that grew from a settlement of tents into a great mining community. This is the Jerome Grand Hotel. This hotel is situated atop Cleopatra Hill at about 5,200 feet above sea level. You can see magnificent panoramic views of the Verde Valley from up here. It was formerly home to the United Verde Hospital. This hospital was in operation from 1927 to 1950. This hotel is believed to be one of the most haunted attractions in the United States. Jerome was once known as the wickedest town in the West due to the large number of brothels and saloons that were once here. The federal government designated this town a National Historic District in 1967. Over the years, this old Wild West jailhouse slid more than 200 feet down the mountain from where it was originally built. This city was built above a massive deposit of copper. It was once the leading copper producer in Arizona and produced more than 33 million tons of copper, silver, gold, lead, and zinc ore. So you might ask, What happened to this mining town? After World War II had ended, the demand for copper decreased dramatically. Jerome's economy was completely dependent upon the demand for copper. In 1953, the mine was closed. Today the mine is silent, but Jerome has found a new position as the largest ghost town in America. The old buildings in the town were transformed into art galleries, restaurants, coffee shops, wine tasting rooms, and other interesting shops. Once a thriving mining camp of miners, bootleggers, and gamblers, is now a growing tourist destination. This town is a big tourist draw around Halloween because of the spooky history, festive decor, variety of ghost tours, and the number of haunted hotels here. Beneath the streets of Jerome, the mountain is still filled with several abandoned mine shafts and tunnels.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I hope that you have enjoyed this short tour of Jerome, Arizona.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.